This is GoPro Series 9, and in this series we have the front screen. And sometimes we don't want to use the front screen. We can turn it off. Now I will show you how to turn it off. You scroll down the menu. You click on this button. And you choose turn off. Okay. Now check it. Okay. Now the front screen is turned off. Okay. If you want to turn it on, we scroll down the menu. Click on this button. Okay. And we have three options to turn it on. The first one is status only. That we also only the number, the battery, the memory card. Then we can change the actual screen or big screen. Normally we choose the actual screen. Okay, that's all. Thank you.